This is the Woodford 51117 locking screw for the Woodford faucet models 24 and the model 67. So we'll go ahead and get it out of the bag here. A couple things to notice about it. We'll have that squared end here, coming down to those male threads. It's got a thread count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So she's got 5 threads right there at the end. So we can go ahead and get a couple measurements of that lock or locking screw. So we'll get a total length from that squared end to the end there. It'll measure right at 1.5 inches. Then we can also get an outer diameter down here at the bottom of the threads, measuring just below 1/2 inch. And then we can also try to get an outer diameter of this squared end here, and then an outer diameter of that red or rounded end there as well. So that squared end will have the outer diameter of right about 1/4 inch, and then that rounded piece below it, be kind of hard to get a measurement of it. Oh, measure just shy of 3/4 inch. Okay, so once again, this is the Woodford 51117 lock screw.